Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Immigration USA. In this video, we're going to talk about green card holders, what to avoid during Trump presidency. There are a lot of changes that is happening right now. They're changing new rules about green card holders, green card applications, even US citizenship. Rules are being made right now and no one knows about it. But if you have a green card, you need to treat your green card like gold or like diamond, because that green card is your key to US citizenship. So we're gonna break it down in this video, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so there are three things that you need to avoid as a green card holder, right? International travel, and also public charge rules and legal compliance matter. So there's too many things to avoid if you have a green card. Nowadays, with the Trump administration, it is so easy to lose your green card. Therefore, you need to be very careful, be very curious about what's happening right now on the news. Make sure you look at the reliable news sources, and also anything you do, make sure you consult an attorney. The immigration attorneys, they know the new rules, they know whatever's coming up from the USCIS. They get an email, they get informed about the new changes and everything. So make sure you consult an attorney. So these are the things that you need to avoid. International travel. If you travel outside the United States, make sure you come back to the US before 6 months. Before the 6 month period is elapsed, make sure you come back to the US. If you stay outside the US more than 6 months and then you try to come back to the US, they may revoke your green card and they will call it as a residency abandonment. That's how they're gonna call it. So they're gonna say that you stayed outside of the US for more than 6 months, then you don't need a green card. That's what they're gonna tell you. So don't stay outside of the US more than 6 months. I know a lot of you guys know that, but some people don't know. They just go there and sit outside the US thinking that they can come back anytime. But sometimes there are some exceptions, right? So suppose that you travel anywhere outside the US and then you get sick, you couldn't come back on time. Anything can happen, right? When you're sick or you are in a critical condition, you cannot come back yet because you need some treatments at the hospital. Or if you have like parents that are ill and they need you to be next to them, you can submit some document showing that it was an emergency, so you couldn't come back on time because of such a matter. So you can justify it, they may let you in. But if nothing happens, you have no business to stay outside the United States more than 6 months, do not do it. And also avoid to travel to some countries that are subject to a travel ban. There are some countries in 2017, there was a travel ban, people travel to certain countries and then the travel ban came up, they couldn't come back to the US, right? They couldn't come back. They had to stay outside the US for a very long time. Some people stayed outside the US for more than 6 months. More than 6 months, they couldn't come back. But anyway, they fixed it. They let those people come back to the US, but avoid going to those countries that has the travel ban, like last time, certain countries. You don't want to let people come back to the US. People originated from certain countries, so there was a travel ban. So avoid to go to those countries right now. Even if you go and come back before the 6 month elapses, you may face some hurdles. So before you leave, make sure you check whatever country you go to. Make sure you check if there is a safe return from those countries, right? And the second one is the public charge. The public charge, we all know about it as well. So when Mr. Trump was president, the public charge was in effect. So they didn't want no one to be on public assistance, right? Public assistance means the public charge. That means that you cannot support yourself. Therefore, you went to the social service, your local social service, get some food stamp or also housing and apply for Medicaid, things like that. Avoid to do that. I know things happen. You need health insurance. Sometimes you lose your job, you have no food to provide your family, so you go to social service. During Biden presidency, it was okay to get public assistance, except for the cash money. The cash money, they couldn't tolerate it. However, food stamp and apply for Medicaid, it was okay. But right now, with Mr. Trump coming back, they may change that. They may go back to the previous public charge rule. So if you are a green card holder and then you touch the public assistant, this may prevent you to renew your green card or apply for your citizenship, because they're gonna say that you're gonna be a public charge. So they don't want nobody to be on public charge. So that's something to avoid. And then lastly, the third one is the legal compliance is matter. So you commit a crime, you have a felony, you may lose your green card as well. So that's been in effect for a very long time, but they made it worse. Lake and Raleigh law, it passed the Congress, it is in effect. So that is for all immigrants. It doesn't matter whether you green card holder or non-immigrant visa or work permit holder, whatever, it affects everybody, even worse for undocumented immigrants. So avoid to make any mistake. A small infraction can jeopardize your green card. And certain crime is deportable offense. A felony, for example, shoplifting, all that stuff. If you have a green card and you do that, you get caught, you lose your green card. That's, automatically. So my advice is that if you are a green card holder, make sure you hold on to that green card like gold. That green card is the key to your citizenship. So you got your green card, you really made it, you made it. Then make sure you hold on to it. Don't do anything that can make you lose it, right? Don't make anything that can make you lose your green card, because that green card is the key to your citizenship. So you don't want to do anything that makes you lose it. So before you do anything, make sure you consult an attorney. Those attorneys, they know the new regulation, new rules that are being put in place. They get an email from USCIS, they get everything, so they know what's going on right now. People may not know, they don't tell you on the news or anything like that for the new changes, some minor changes that can affect anybody. So, and nobody knows about it. So you need to consult an attorney. An attorney can guide you, help you, and tell you what's going on. So before you make any move, make sure you consult an attorney. And good luck, guys. So this is the Trump administration. You're a green card holder. Make sure you follow the rules, do the right thing, and apply for your citizenship. All right. When your turn is up, either 3-year rule or 5-year rule, when it is up, apply for that US citizenship. All right, guys. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.